Solve. 4.2x plus 3.5 equals 1.2 minus 2.5x. We'll begin this problem by subtracting 3.5 from both sides. On the left-hand side, 4.2x plus 3.5 minus 3.5. On the right-hand side, 1.2 minus 2.5x minus 3.5. On the left-hand side, these sum to 0, so we have 4.2x, and on the right-hand side, 1.2 minus 3.5 is negative 2.3 minus the 2.5x. Next, we'll add 2.5x to both sides. So on the left-hand side, we'll have 4.2x plus 2.5x. And on the right-hand side, we'll have negative 2.3 minus 2.5x plus 2.5x. On the left-hand side, we combine the coefficients of the x's, and we have 4.2 plus 2.5, which gives us 6.7x. And on the right-hand side, these sum to 0, so the result is just negative 2.3. The next step would be to divide by the coefficient of x. So we'll divide both sides by 6.7. Of course, on the left-hand side, these divide, leaving us with 1x, which we'll write as just x. On the right-hand side, first of all, it's a negative divided by a positive, so the answer is negative. Because this fraction contains decimals, we want to eliminate the decimals, and therefore we would multiply the top by 10 and the bottom by 10, the same number, and that would give us the result of negative 23 over 67. So the solution is negative 23 over 67.